Hello everyone, welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to discuss the last part of the fourth chapter, linear equations in two variables, that is equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so it's also very important. So all of you please listen here. Let's start. Okay dear students, this is our question. See, solve the equation 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3 and represent the solutions on first one, the number line means in one variable. Okay, second one, the Cartesian plane, that is in two variables. Okay, it's very easy. See, first solve this equation. Okay, what is the equation? 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Okay, we need to solve this equation and represent this solution. Represent the solution. First, we need to represent on the number line, and secondly, on the in the Cartesian plane. Okay. See, so we need to solve this one. So 2x plus 1 is equal to x minus 3. Then take x terms 2x, then minus x is equal to minus 3 minus 1. Take this plus 1 to the. So here 2x minus x is equal to minus 4. So the simplified form is x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4. So here only one variable x, that is equal to minus 4. So what is our questions? Represent this. See, solve the equation. So we solved it and represent the solutions. The solution is x equal to minus 4. Represent the solution first on the number line. How to plot this x equal to minus 4 on the number line? Let's see. Okay, all of you please be here. It's very important. Okay. Okay, dear students. See, first question is on the number line. We need to plot this equation, that is x equal to minus 4. See, first draw number line like this. 0, positive axis, negative axis. Okay, x is equal to minus 4. So, negative axis, negative side. So, minus 4 here. See, this is the point x equal to minus 4. Okay, this is the method how to represent equation or a solution on the number line. Okay, here only one variable. So, representation of one variable is on number line. Okay, this is the method. Clear? So, let's move to our second question, that is representation of x equal to minus 4 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, so on the Cartesian plane we need to make it in two variables. Okay, so see, x equal to minus 4 is the solution actually. For the representation of one variable or on the number line, we need only this value x equal to minus 4 and we plotted. Okay, if we represent this x equal to minus 4 in two variable form or on the Cartesian plane, we need two variables. So we know how to convert this one into linear equation. This is linear equation in one variable. Okay, so this is we should convert this linear equation into two variables. That means 1 into x plus 0 y. Actually there is no y term, but we can add y term like this. 1 into x plus 0 y is equal to minus 4. Okay, take y is equal to 0. If y is equal to 0, this term again 0. So x equal to minus 4. X equal to minus 4. So the solution is minus 4, 0. Clear? Take y is equal to 1. If y is equal to 1, also this term 0 and x equal to again minus 4. Okay, take y is equal to 2. If when we take y is equal to 2, also x equal to minus 4. Okay, when we take any value for y, the value of x is remain constant because x equal to minus 4 in all the cases. Okay, so value of y varies but value of x constant. Okay, so using these solutions, we have to plot these solutions on the Cartesian plane. So we will get the equation of x equal to minus 5, minus 4. Okay, so let's plot. So x equal to minus, we are going to represent this equation x equal to minus 4 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, that means make this x equal to minus 4 into two variables and find its solutions like this. In all these conditions, minus x equal to minus 4 is remain constant and y value varies. That means x equal to minus 4 is this point. Okay, so minus 4 0 this point, minus 4 0, then minus 4 1 this point, minus 4 2 this point, minus 4 3 this point, minus 4 minus 1 this point, minus 4 minus 2 this point. Okay, so see, when we plot these points, we will get a straight line. Okay, the equation is x equal to minus 4 and we get a straight line which is parallel to what? Y axis. Okay, if the equation is in the form x is equal to something, x equal to, suppose x equal to a, and this equation should be parallel to y axis. X equal to minus 4, the solution, the graph of this equation is parallel to y axis. Okay, so let's draw the line. So this black color straight line is the equation, is the graph of the equation x equal to minus 4. Okay, this straight line is the graph of the equation x equal to minus 4. Okay, x equal to, this is the x equal to minus 4 in Cartesian plane. Okay, in Cartesian plane, in number line or in one variable, this is of the form like this, and in Cartesian plane, the x equal to minus 4 graph is like this. And if the equation is in the form x equal to something, here x equal to minus 4, and this graph should be parallel to y axis, Okay, if the equation is like this, y is equal to something, y is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 4, like that, then this type of equation should parallel to x axis. Clear? So this is the method how to answer this type of questions. Okay. Okay, dears. This is another question. See, give the geometrical representation of y is equal to 3. Okay, before we discussed x equal to minus 4. Okay, here the equation is in terms of y is equal to 3 as an equation in one variable and in two variables. Is it easy now how to represent y is equal to 3 in one variable and in two variable? One variable means in number line. In two variables means in Cartesian plane. Okay, so let's find out the graph. Okay. First question, in one variable, we need to plot, we need to represent the equation y is equal to 3 on the number line or in one variable. That means y is equal to 3 in one variable, a linear equation in one variable, y is equal to 3. And we draw one number line and we plotted where is 3. 3 is positive direction. Okay, if it is minus 3, y is equal to, here y is equal to minus 3, but our question is y is equal to 3. So this is the point. Okay, equation of this the graph of the equation y is equal to 3 on the number line. Representation of the equation y is equal to 3 on the number line is like this. Okay, now let's go to represent y is equal to 3 on the Cartesian plane. Okay, we need to, now we are going to plot y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3 in two variables or on Cartesian plane. See, y is equal to 3, how to convert this equation, linear equation in one variable to linear equation in two variables. 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 3. Okay, 0, actually there is no x term, but we can write this 0 into x plus 1 into y is equal to 3. If x equal to 0, y is equal to 3, x equal to 1, y is equal to 3, x equal to 2. If we give any values for x, we will get y is equal to 3. Okay, y is remains constant. 3, 3, 0. So solutions we can write 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, minus 1, 3. Okay, y is constant. So let's plot 0, 3 where x 0, y 3 here. Okay, x1, y3 here, x2, y3 here, x like this. If x minus 1, y3 is negative axis and like this. That means when we join these points, these solutions, we will get a straight line which is parallel to which axis? X-axis. Okay, so if the equation is of the form y is equal to some a, here y is equal to 3, this graph of this equation should be a straight line and which is parallel to which axis? If it is y is equal to a, this graph is parallel to x-axis. Okay, before we discussed x equal to a. If the graph is x equal to a, this graph should be a straight line and which is parallel to y-axis. That we already learned. Okay, so let's join these points. So this is the graph. This straight line is the graph of the equation y is equal to 3 on the Cartesian plane or in two variable form. Okay, this straight line y is equal to 3. Okay, so if the equation is of the form y is equal to a, y is equal to any number, negative number, positive number, any number, y is equal to a, and this graph should be a straight line and which is parallel to which axis? X-axis. If it is y is equal to a, parallel to x-axis. If it is x equal to a, which is parallel to y-axis. Okay, this is the laws. Okay, what is our topic? Equations of lines parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Okay, if the equation is of the form y is equal to a, the graph should be parallel to x-axis. If the graph is of the form x equal to a is any number, okay, any integer, then equation of the graph of the equation should be parallel to y-axis. Okay, so this is the last part of our fourth chapter, linear equations in two variables. I hope you all have enjoyed today's class. So let's wind up. Thank you. Have a nice day.